you want to talk about yourself, or when you want to know something about someone you just met, you normally talk about the things you like to do and your hobbies. To do this, you'll need to know how to use the verb
agradar,
to like. This verb is always accompanied by a personal pronoun.
a mi m'agrada,
I like.
a tu t'agrada,
You like.
a ell li agrada,
He likes.
a ella li agrada,
She likes.
a nosaltres ens agrada,
We like.
a vosaltres us agrada,
You like.
a ells els agrada, a elles els agrada.
They like.
M'agrada aquesta cançó.
I like this song.
M'agrada escoltar música.
I like to listen to music.
M'agraden aquestes cançons.
I like these songs. Pay special attention to agreement with the verb.
Agradar.
If it is followed by a singular noun or a verb in the infinitive, the verb is conjugated in the singular.
M'agrada.
If the noun that follows is in the plural, the verb is conjugated in the plural.
M'agraden.
Similarly, pay special attention to the pronoun li, which never takes an apostrophe, and the pronoun els, which refers both to a ells and a elles.
A les noies els agrada aquesta cançó.
The girls like this song. Other verbs that are used to express likes and dislikes, such as
Encantar.
to love,
Apassionar.
to be passionate about, and
Interessar.
to be interested in, all follow the same structure as the verb
Agradar.
to like. If you want to express how much you like or dislike something, you can use quantifiers. If you like something, you can use the quantifiers
Moltíssim.
I really like it.
Molt.
I like it a lot.
Força. Bastant.
I quite like it. And
Una mica.
I like it a little. On the other hand, if you don't like something, then you can use the quantifiers
Gaire.
I don't like it very much.
Gens.
I don't like it at all. Or
Gens ni mica.
I really don't like it at all. Have a look at the difference between
M'agrada molt.
I like it a lot and
No m'agrada gaire.
I don't like it very much. When asking about someone's hobbies, you can use the expression,
Què t'agrada fer?
what do you like to do? Or,
Quines aficions tens?
what are your hobbies? The first question contains an interrogative pronoun. The second contains an interrogative adjective. During the first few videos, we've seen a number of different interrogative pronouns and adjectives. Now it's time to summarize what we've learned so far. First of all, let's go over the interrogative pronouns.
Qui?
Used to ask about people.
Qui ets?
Who are you?
Què?
Used to ask about things.
Què t'agrada fer?
What do you like to do?
Com?
Used to ask in what way.
Com estàs?
How are you?
On?
Used to ask about a place.
D'on ets?
Where are you from? Secondly, there are also interrogative adjectives, which, unlike pronouns, are variable and always accompany a noun.
Quan?
How much? How many?
Quan?
For the masculine singular.
Quanta?
For the feminine singular.
Quants?
For the masculine plural.
Quantes?
For the feminine plural. Used to ask about quantity.
Quants alumnes tens?
How many students do you have?
Quin? Quin?
For the masculine singular.
Quina?
For the feminine singular.
Quins?
For the masculine plural.
Quines?
For the feminine plural. Used to ask about an individual person or thing within a group.
Quines aficions tens?
What are your hobbies? Literally, Which hobbies do you have? So let's ask Ella.
Què t'agrada fer?
What do you like to do?
Quines aficions tens?
What are your hobbies?
Pay attention to the use of the verb agrada and adverbs of quantity.
M'agrada moltíssim la cançó Boig per tu.
I really like the song Boig per tu.
M'encanta ballar aquesta cançó.
I love dancing to this song.
No m'interessa gens la música electrònica.
I'm not interested in electronic music at all.
A mi m'apassiona la música romàntica.
I'm passionate about romantic music.
Ah, i també m'agraden força els jocs de cartes.
I quite like playing cards.